Hi guys, so I have a quick story. It was when we went to the doctor for my baby's hearing test, the triplets hearing test. So when I went inside the room, the lady asked me after she's done putting the device, on my baby's ear. She asked me, "So this is triplet one, right?" Then I said, "Yes, of course." And then she asked me, "How are you able to know who is who?" Then I say, "Well, I have my ways." And then when I came out, because she's looking for the triplet to do the test, I came out of the room and then I suddenly realized, oh shoot, the one I'm holding all along is the triplet two. And then I quickly went back inside and then I told her, "I'm so sorry. I didn't get enough sleep. The one you did the test is triplet 2, not triplet 1. Very funny. She even asked me, and I'm so confident saying that this is triplet 1. But anyway, all of them passed the hearing test. So far, everything is good. It's just a quick story. Okay. Hope you like the videos I'm uploading. I will be uploading more videos. But maybe not so fast. But yeah, I promise I'll do my best. Okay, so bye guys.